Authorization used to mean authenticate once and you're in, to everything. For enterprise networks, that means a verified user may have access to the data and systems they need, along with access to many others they don't. This exposure creates risk. How? You can think of your network as a building with internal access doors. There are areas everyone can access, some where people with similar jobs can work together, and some that only a few select people can access. For example, there's probably no reason anyone in accounting needs access to your electrical room, and building operations should probably never have access to customer files. But without access control within your building, they can move freely around. Criminals who somehow get through the front door, or other hitchhikers, could also move about freely, jumping from sensitive area to sensitive area. Enclave limits this. Enclave's microsegmentation tool builds on zero-trust principles to enable secure, encrypted access to data and systems on-prem or in the cloud. Using Enclave, you can connect users to only the information they need to do their job, while preventing access to information that is either not relevant or confidential. Enclave is simple. In minutes, an administrator can select which users have access to what systems. It's scalable. Easily add, modify, and expand access with a click. It's secure. Every user-to-machine interaction takes place through an encrypted pipeline that uses encryption technology to secure the data in transit. With Enclave, in just minutes, you can protect your business data and reduce your risk while enabling secure collaboration and enhancing your team's productivity. Enclave. Take control of your security with simple, accessible microsegmentation. Contact our team to learn more.